Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple iPad 9.7 from 2018, and today I'll show you how to remove the MDM protection that is set by, for instance, universities and places like that. So to get started, there is a couple things we'll need. Number one, you want to get your email number of the device. So you can find it on the back of the device itself. It's basically in the text below. You can also find it on the box where the device comes in, or sometimes it's also on the SIM tray. So when you pop out the SIM tray, it will be located on there as well. So apart from the email number, you will also need a cable, typical cable that I use for charging. You want to plug it into a computer, and then on the computer side, you want to navigate to our website, so HardReset.Info. Look for your device, right, and then go to the MDM Bypass. And in here, as you can see, you have a couple step guide. But number one, start off by downloading this right here. So the blue link, basically, it will take you to the mega upload right here. And you're precisely looking for the last option right here, the iCloud Bypass Tool iKey X6. So as you can see, there's X6, but there's also 5.7. You're interested in that last one, so the 6. And simply download it. Then extract it. I already have it right here, as you can see. Once you extract it, just from there, you want to go into the 5th step, right? And in here, provide your email number and order MDM Bypass. Now, unfortunately, this is a paid service, so you will need to pay for it. And what it does is basically, once you insert a number here, this will basically get inserted into the database, and from there you can actually use the application. Without actually going through the 5th step, the application will be kind of useless. But anyway, let's go into it. Once you actually have the app itself, you want to right click on it and then run as administrator. Give it a second for it to actually open. There we go. So right here it gives us the message to actually plug in the device. So let me do that. There we go. Let's close this, that's redundant. Okay, and from here you can see it gives a serial number, blah, 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 all that information about it. No one really cares. But what you're looking for right here is specifically the services. So we're looking for MDM Bypass, no jailbreak, iOS 14.3 full. Cool. Let's select that and then start the bypass. Now, like I said, without actually going through the 5th step, if you try to do the bypass, it just won't work because it has no email in the database. So okay, as you can see, done. Enjoy your device. Stop on OK, close this, basically the process is finished, and the device is right now simply rebooting. So give it a moment. I'm gonna go through a quick setup of the devices so you can see that it worked. So let's just go through this. Home button, restore complete, continue, setup later, don't use. Passcode option, don't use passcode. From here, I believe let's use a different one. Nope. Forgot, and setup later in settings. Don't use. Now I'm basically skipping everything just to save on time. And there we go. As you can see, process is now complete and the device is unlocked. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.